Imagine living in your own private wildlife sanctuary. This unique property sits on 22 acres of woods and water. The home's main floor rooms open to beautiful park-like views. Wild turkeys, deer, geese, heron, and migrating birds take advantage of this peaceful environment. It has 3 ponds and a quarter-mile of creek footage and is close to shops, restaurants, and golf. This sprawling cedar stone Cape Cod home features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 2.5 car garage. The living room, dining room, 3-season porch, and the master bedroom share views of the rear yard, patio, and pond. A 2-story foyer with powder room opens to a 20-foot by 21-foot living room with a natural fireplace, wet bar with ice maker, and a wall of patio doors. The luxurious first-floor master bedroom features a large dressing area with built-in dressers and sinks, a walk-in closet, and a bath with a unique shower-jacuzzi combo. The centrally located kitchen, with island, opens to the dining room with a raised hearth fireplace and brick floor. There's an adjacent 3-season room and a mudroom with a 3-quarter bath. Upstairs, you'll find 2 large guest bedrooms with a shared bathroom.